Is the Weebill 3 a gimbal for everyone, or do you need to be an absolute professional in order to operate it? Hi creators, my name is Dirk, this is Kiwi, and today I'm going to show you what I did as a total beginner without any prior experiences and how I created a clip within minutes right after unboxing the Weebill 3. And after this clip, I'll show you my settings and how I recorded it. Here it is. So how did I do this from start to finish? Well, first of all, I bought the Weebill 3 combo. Why the combo? Because it includes a wrist rest. Although the gimbal itself is a lightweight, having this kind of support right here helps a lot, especially when you're attaching heavier cameras and lenses. Also, the Easy Sling is included, and that's always a nice feature to have. If you don't have the combo, you can purchase the wrist rest and the Easy Sling handle separately. The Weebill 3 came pre-charged, but if you have to charge it, the USB-C port for the power adapter is right here at the bottom. To attach my Sony a7R IV, I had to unlock the 3 axes: the pan, the tilt and the roll axis. Pretty cool is the magnetic screw tool to tighten the camera mounting plate. The balancing process is a try and error method, and you use these levers here to lock the position of the sliders in place. Super fast, super easy. The ergonomics are exceptional and it fits right in your hand. When you power on the Weebill 3 for the very first time, you will witness a short vibrating auto calibration process. That's normal. After powering on the Weebill 3, it's set to PF mode, and that is perfect for my purpose because it follows your movements horizontally. Of course, there are 6 more modi to choose from. Also, here are tons of cables so you can connect the Weebill 3 to your camera. You can use the built-in microphone, you can use the built-in light. There are tons of options for professionals. You can go and deep dive into the menu to fine-tune everything. Everything's possible with the Weebill 3, but this is a video how a total beginner just throws on a camera, goes out and shoots a video. The total filming of the clip took me about 15 minutes. Thank you, Kiwi. Now we have so much more good and usable footage, but I wanted to make the clip short and sweet because, after all, this is a video about the Weebill 3 and not about Leon and his car. If you'd like to see more of those two, you find them on Instagram under gts.blue. On the joystick you can change the pan and the tilt of the camera. It took me some practice not to overshoot onto my target. Once I got used to it, I found myself using the joystick more than I expected, in order to extend my natural movement with the camera. I recorded with 1/60th of a second at f2.8. My focus mode was continuous AF and my focus area was set to wide. The editing took me less than 10 minutes because the footage was really great. I put an adjustment layer on top in order to make the colors a little bit more cinematic. And then I picked a song from the YouTube library, and voila! Even as a newbie like me, you can create video clips and films very professionally without any prior experiences. So if you want to break into the market, don't be afraid. The Weebill 3 is the perfect solution for beginners and for professionals. And therefore, it comes highly recommended. Thanks so much for visiting my channel Paradise Biz. You know, a free way to support the channel is to leave a like. If you have questions about the Weebill 3 or ideas, shooting ideas, please mention them in the comments below. I will definitely respond. Next Sunday I'll have a new video for you. Till then, stay safe. Bye for now.